Hi guys, so today I made the initial design for the mobile app for the steer, and here I've incorporated my idea about temperature sensor. I'm gonna show it to you right now. So this is the loading screen, login screen, and then we go into device menu. In this menu we can see all the devices that are connected or can be connected, because my app gives the possibility to work with many devices simultaneously, and this can be not only the steers but also, let's say, pH meters or titrators. Still, let's select our steerer, and we are now in the main menu. We can select the steerer mode. This can be a very simple one direction mode. This is what usually goes with the steerer. You select the speed, you hit start, and like you hit timer or something like that, and you go on. The next mode is switch directions, which is kind of a little more sophisticated. As the name implies, each period of time, like here it is 5 seconds, each 5 seconds, the steer gonna switch the direction, and it is very useful to thoroughly mix direction. The manual mode is not really well thought right now, because it's a mode where you manually rule the steer, but control the steer. But again, I don't really see that much of the implication for it. And really, where the fun begins is the automatic mode. So if we hit the automatic mode, we are no longer giving the steer the exact speed that it should have. We are giving it the range of the speed and also the range of the temperature range where it should stay. And the steer gonna try by adjusting the speed to stay in this range. So let's say you're making the reaction, you're making the experiment, and you try to cool your reaction. You placed the flask in the ice bath, and but suddenly the exotherm hits, and you now have to steer much more vigorously, and my steer gonna do it automatically. So this is, and if it cannot keep the temperature in the range, it will give the alarm by the sound or by sending the message vibrating your phone or something like that. So you know that, okay, I have to go back to my reaction, something happening. And here we also have like the timer, yeah, the timer, but the next feature that I'm very proud of is the ability to save the data. And this one is actually very useful, because sometimes people leave their reaction steering overnight and you don't know what is happening there. With this feature, you're gonna be able to go back to come into morning and just see what happened with your reaction. Was there any spikes in the temperature or not? And also, this is very useful when you are trying to scale the experiment. So let's say you made it on 1 gram, you see, okay, let's small exotherm, 10 gram, and you can see it. Yeah, you see the pikes, you can measure it, you can integrate it, because all of this data is in a standard CSV or Excel file. You can export it, and then then, okay, can I go up? Can I scale it again tenfold? Still, I think this is now very useful app, and this is something that I would use myself. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to make the initial design for the board itself with its small display, and we'll see probably till the end of the week. I'll probably gonna be able to make the whole setup and see how it goes. As always, if you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to leave them or Ask the questions, I'll be happy to answer. See you.